Availability for inspection. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. Availability is important for you to understand. Availability for inspection. That is to mean that VAT registered persons must make their records available to authorized KRA officials for inspection upon request. These records must be made available to authorized Kenya Revenue Authority officials upon request. And the records should be organized. For example, chronologically by date or by suppliers or customers' name to facilitate easy inspection. These records, again, candidates, should be kept in Kenya and should either be in English or Kiswahili languages. You understand? The records should be available for inspection by KRA officials upon request. The records should be kept in such a way that it's easy to inspect. For example, having them organized chronologically.